In the age where modern innovation is at its peak, smarter power transmission and distribution needs to be efficient and reliable to help transform limitations into opportunities. Accord Transformer and Switchgear Private Limited, India's fastest growing electrical products manufacturing company, specializing in designing, engineering, manufacturing and services of HT and LT transformers and varied energy efficient power and electrical equipment. A BIS certified ISO 9001-2015 company, ATS also provides EPC projects and services through a separate cell called ABL Electricals, which has built its reputation as a global leader in providing engineering, procurement, construction and manufacturing solutions in the field of power systems and power distribution. A global transformer manufacturing company, ATS Group's track record spans significant landmark projects with a prominent presence across all sectors of industrial, educational, medicinal, utilities, electricity boards, oil and gas, auto industry, renewable industry, and real estate. ATS Group started its journey under the supervision of engineers having rich experience at national and international organizations. With a passion to deliver quality solutions which are cost-controlled and timely executed, ABL is proud to be associated with clients from all over the globe. Our range of extensively energy-efficient transformers and CPRI ERDA KEMA tested, built to cater to the various needs of our customers. The entire range is BIS certified and has an energy efficiency level of 3 with safety first clause and all legal statutory certifications. ATS is committed to combining excellence in service, engineering and manufacturing. Over the years, ATS has leveraged the proficiency of its expert engineers and has successfully executed projects globally with a wide range of EPC expertise and an in-house R&D team. Our excellence lies in an experienced team of highly skilled engineers specializing in design, engineering, procurement and installations. With a state-of-the-art testing facility, spacious and dust-free production area, 24/7 support via service cell and NABL-approved calibrated instruments, ATS Group meets all national and international requirements of good manufacturing practices, maintaining a strict quality system.
ATS has over 2 decades of experience delivering numerous turnkey projects across India and abroad. With a total quality management system, we aim at driving innovation forward to produce the best products and quality service network at every level at affordable cost. ATS commitments to applying sustainable business practices in the coming future. ATS promises to continue powering the nation with new and efficient devices for power transmission, distribution and power controlling system every day.